Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. The bulls got trapped here, but will we see a bullish breakout to save any bulls that bought this breakout, right? Because now if they bought this breakout, technically they're in losses. Right? So there's situations where this could be a negative sign, but there's so much bullish momentum in the market right now. Everybody's ready to FOMO, buy the dips. The market's been really strong. So one thing to analyze here we talked about is Bitcoin is on this parabolic price rise. You had this rising channel, it broke to the upside. Then bull flag broke to the upside. Now bull flag again. And you have some pretty good volume here, but this was the fake out, right? So that's a bit concerning. You want to see Bitcoin bulls push one leg higher. And you see this rising channel right here. Stock market is going to call this move. Remember, in a couple days, you got the Fed coming out. They need to raise the rates just 25 basis points instead of 50 like they did last time. So it looks like that's what the stock market's counting on. Bitcoin hasn't hit the measured move target yet. We're at about 23,083. Again, on any pullbacks, everybody wants to buy these support levels, but will they get a chance? We had the baby golden cross on the daily, and now we've got a real golden cross coming with the 50 and the 200, and that should happen in about 10 days. Okay, so a lot of bullish ideas. Very positive thing, the FTXL was right here. Bitcoin is above this level and holding. So again, target not too far away overhead. I mean, you could even see 26,000 on a impulse move higher. Again, there's a lot of waiting on this news to come out for stocks banging. This all the way to the end. I got a gem pick banger on KuCoin I'm about to post. I actually talked to you guys about. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he is up about 300% since November. He won 16 out of the last 18 trades. He was trading with a little bit of leverage, but he made $92. And I always want people to try and practice with smaller amounts. He's up $92, 141, 147, 450, 210, 274, 206, 297, 264, 106, 156, 266, 4 losers. He lost $50 out of all these trades. He's up 300% based on what we taught him in the training group. This person, shooting fish in a barrel, made 86% on Gala and then another 100% in Gala. This person took $400 through a mixture of spot and futures, and in less than 3 weeks he turned it into $40,000 in the trading group. That is insane. Like this, he's headed for the 7-figure club, right? Obviously you can make a tremendous amount of money in this market. This person, again, killing on KuCoin. I got my KuCoin account from 2,000 to 5,000 real quick. Like we're nailing the bangers. This is the last 3 days. 213%, no leverage. 141, 105, 82, 73, 202, 116, 77, 77. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. So this is showing the last run up, all-time high from 2018, right, to about a little less, 19,700, right? So the price action now is above this level, right? Above this level. Now, using time fibs, 72 bars, 360 days, you can see that the price action 360 days after the high, you got the market low, right? And then if you notice here, the market cycle top, you've got 360 days, and this is essentially the market cycle bottom. And so using these 360 days, shout out to Trip, made this chart. Trip is looking for a major pivot on Sunday, the 12th of November, 2023. So again, is this the big run up we've been looking for? I mean, there's ideas this thing could go. I mean, the most bullish idea that you could think of. You're running up to like 47, 48,000, right? Is that this run? But again, if the stock market throws a curveball at us, everything changes. But you've seen historically what 360-day time periods happen. What happens in price action? So pretty amazing. Coin dominance. We said yesterday we want this thing to dump, and it looks like it's starting to potentially roll over. So again, this thing breaks down, and altcoins will move a lot better. Period. Total 2. This is the total top 125 altcoins. You have this falling wedge. 68% chance it breaks out to the upside, and it did. Now, this price action, the target, the measured move, is a run up to this level. So you're at about 27% increase in all altcoins across the board on average in the top 125 altcoins, right? So, I mean, just think about what these small caps will do 200 and 300% gains as this continues higher. So, I mean, if you're sitting on your hands, you might want to pay attention to what the market's doing. AXS. So I talked to you guys about this the other day, but I want to give you another example. So this, when the price action comes up, and again, this is the 200 simple running in here, right? You got this double bottom. You got to break out of this. This thing will consolidate for a little bit, potentially, and then take off. Okay, so AVAX did it first. You got your 200 simple moving average. AVAX, similar type pattern after a breakout of a falling wedge, right? Your 200 simple moving average on the daily chart. You get this upwards consolidation and then a retest and then explosive move higher. And AVAX had a huge pump. And so these altcoins, when you're watching them, you're watching the 200 simple. They want to run up to the 200 simple. And when you see these coins consolidating right below the 200 simple, you're looking for an explosive move higher. Okay. So pay attention. Things are different. Things are happening that we haven't seen in a very long time in this market. Matic. So I posted Matic, and obviously Matic, very solid project. I like the top, the bigger coins. The KuCoin coins, like if you're got a small bag, you got to trade the KuCoin coins because you're going to hit crazy multiples. So this is Matic, and I posted this setup the other day. It was forming a perfect bull pennant after the breakout of a double bottom. These are golden because there's an apex right here, and the price action is going to break out normally when this is about 75% full. So if you go to Matic now, what happened? Banging. 17% banger. All right. So you're looking for this. These are some of my favorite setups. After the breakout of a massive pattern, you get a bull flag or bull pennant. The very high likelihood that you get a breakout to the upside. You can even buy while the price action is in the bull pennant or the bull flag at the lower, at the bottom trend line, right? That way you don't miss the move. Because how many times you see this and then you miss the move? So again, you can buy the bottom trend line. This coin looks very good, and it's on KuCoin. So it's called AI USDT on KuCoin. So again, you've got, just like we just talked about on Matic, you've got a huge cup and handle. And then this thing broke out, explosive move higher, came back down, and now it's consolidating into a perfect falling wedge, and it's going to come back here. Look at this. Bounce, and then you had rejection, and then breakout with volume, and now you're coming back down here, and you're ready for a bounce and a breakout of this falling wedge. 68% chance this happens, and then I'm looking for, explosive move to the upside over the next 24 hours out of AI USDT on KuCoin. Gem pick banger. Let's go. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.